Okay, but let's wrap up our notes on these last two for 7 and 8. So find the coordinates of J if K is negative 5, 10 and the midpoint. So K is now our midpoint. And it has the coordinates negative 5, 10. And then L has coordinates negative 8, 6. So L is negative 8 and 6. 6. So we need to figure out, it was J, they said. Okay. So, oh wait, and then I just typed K. J. Again. Okay, J. So we're going to do the same thing we did up here. Let's start with our X though. So the midpoint X value is equal to X1 plus X2. And that is all divided by 2. So let me draw my line. Okay. So then let's go and just substitute. Why is it not clicking? Okay. So we know the midpoint X value is negative 5. So negative 5 is equal to X1. We have negative 8. We do not know the other X, so we have to add X. And then underneath we put 2 and our division line. So we can go put that in the calculator. Negative 5 equals negative 8 plus X divided by 2. Let me get rid of all these. Negative 5 equals, I already forgot. Negative 8 plus X divided by 2. Oh, and I'm in caps. I keep forgetting it doesn't work with caps. So then our X value here is negative 2. So here, let's put negative 2, comma, and then we'll do the same thing for our Y's. So our midpoint Y value is equal to Y1 plus Y2, and then that will be divided by 2. So our Y value for our midpoint in this case is 10, and that is equal to our Y1 value is 6 plus Y, and then that will be divided by 2. So we go to our calculator, 10 equals 6 plus Y divided by 2. So 10 equals 6 plus Y divided by 2. So again, I can't see the graph. Let's zoom out until I can, and it is 14. So on that one, our midpoint was at negative 2, 14. So you can go and graph and see that, or you can tell yourself, okay, negative 8, I need to get to 5. So that means to negative 5 rather. I need to add 3 more. So negative 5 plus 3 more gives me negative 2. And so on. And you can go and visualize that or do that by hand. Either way will get you to the same answer. But let's do our last example here. So number 8, find the coordinates of R if Q, so our point we're looking for is R, if Q is negative 1, 3 and is the midpoint, negative 1, 3, and P is the other one, and it is at 5, 6. So do the same thing. Our midpoint X is equal to X1 plus X2. I keep doing enter instead of plus X2, and that's divided by 2. And then same thing, plug in. Our midpoint X value is negative 1, and that's equal to our other X value, which is 5 plus our unknown X. And that will all be divided by 2 as well. And then we go plug in. Negative 1 equals 5 plus X divided by 2. Negative 1 equals 5 plus x. So then our x value is negative 7. And let's do our y value. Our midpoint y is equal to y1 plus y2 divided by 2. So then our midpoint y is 3 equal to our y value, which is 6, and our unknown y value, and that will all be divided by 2. So 3 equals 6 plus y divided by 2. 3 equals 6 plus y divided by 2, so that is at 0. So my other endpoint is 0. And then again, you can go and graph and see if you are on the right track. So 5, if I need to get to -1, that means I am 6 away. And so then I take away 6 more, gives me -7. 6 to 3, I took away 3, so 3 more away is at 0.